In many real-world business situations, we need to match employee names across two sheets. For example, verify name records that came from different HR systems in a payroll list and benefits list. In this example, the payroll list contains employee IDs and names of people currently being paid, while the benefits list shows which employees are enrolled in a benefits plan. Our goal is to use VLOOKUP to match the names across the sheets. The names might be different across sheets, since not everyone who is getting paid gets benefits, and the actual name might be different between the systems. For example, Jonathan Miller and Sue Lee spend differently in the payroll lists versus benefits list. And Mike Tanaka doesn't get any benefits. We will use employee IDs across both sheets, which is the same unique value for each employee, to pull the associated employee names from the benefits list into the payroll lists tab. And we will do it in 3 simple steps. In step 1, we'll insert the new column into the payroll sheet. We'll name it benefits name. This will be used to pull the corresponding names from the benefits sheets using the employee IDs as a key. In step 2, we'll use VLOOKUP to match the names. Let's put the cursor into the first cell in benefits name column next to the employee ID. Then we will go to the formulas tab on the ribbon and click insert function and select for VLOOKUP. In the lookup value, we'll select an employee ID from the payroll sheet. This tells Excel which unique identifier to search for in the benefits list. In table array, we need to switch to benefits sheet and select the range that includes both employee IDs and name columns. In the call index num, we need to type 2 to pull the value from the second column in the selected range. And then in the range lookup, we need to type false to ensure we only get the exact match for the employee ID. This prevents mismatches from partial matches. Once we click OK, the VLOOKUP populates the names from the benefits sheet that correspond to each employee ID in the payroll sheet. As you can see, the names between payroll and benefits completely mismatched, and Mike Tanaka only exists on the payroll document and represented as an A in the benefits name column. Make sure to download the sample Excel file linked in the description and comments to follow along with this process. If the content was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.